G'day Anthony, I'm Peter. I've just purchased myself a brand new 2019 Ford Ranger Wildtrak, and I'm going to the Horsepower Factory for a stage 1 tow package to be fitted to the engine to hopefully produce more power for towing my caravan.
So what's one of the biggest things you found you're towing
It weighs 2.7 tonne. I find it a little sluggish on the long, slow hills. I've been towing for about 10 years, and now that I'm fully retired, we spend a lot more time on the road, so hence we'd like the car to be as powerful as possible from those long trips with the caravan. Yeah, and that's what I need. I don't need great surge of power, I just need the assistance getting up the long inclines.
And so we're doing our first little test drive with just getting any work done.
It's fine now, Anthony. We're just on the flat here in Ferntree Gully Road. We're sitting on exactly 80. Okay, we're approaching the hill now, Anthony. Change gear straight away. We're doing bottom of the hill. We're doing 2,500 revs. We're still sitting on 80. The revs are dropping now. Change gear, we're back to 70. We're doing about 2,800 revs.
You can certainly feel it sort of pulling.
Yeah, it's like slowing us down. We're doing about 2,900 revs at 70. We're getting towards the top of the hill now. The revs are dropping back to 2.6, about 68. You can certainly feel the weight of the van on the back.
So we've got here the before graph from the PX2 Ranger, PX3 Ranger, and it shows air fuel ratio. Up here you can see air fuel ratio, and this plots the air fuel ratio across a snapshot of one gear, so from about 50 kilometers per hour to a bit over 120 kilometers per hour. You can see at the start the air fuel ratio is around about 25 to 1, which means there's 25 parts of air to 1 part of fuel, which means it's quite lean. As the RPM continues, it gets a bit richer, and we go down to about 21 parts of air to 1 part of fuel. What we're going to do is chase around about 19 to 1, and that's best for performance, especially if you're going to tow. So that's it.
Okay, Anthony, we're just approaching the Ferntree Gully Road lights. We're turning left, getting ready to go up Wheelers Hill. Give it a comparison to yesterday's trip. Yes, once the car gets underway, it pulls away a lot better than yesterday. Okay, we're just going along the flat here across the Dandenong Creek. We're hitting 80k an hour.
It does feel like it wants to race, doesn't it?
It does, it just wants to keep going. The test will be up the hill. Okay, here we go. Approaching the hill, we're sitting on 80. Yesterday the car changed down gears there. We haven't changed yet. We're sitting on 80. I'm having to accelerate, but we're still maintaining 80. Without any effort really. We're sitting on 2,300 revs. We're doing 80k an hour still. We're 3/4 of the way up. Still haven't changed gear, all the way from the bottom. Yep, I've dropped back to about 75 approaching the top, but I'm easing off. Oh, that was amazing. We got up there without changing gear. Sat on 80 the whole way.
It's impressive. And it's smooth.
Yeah, yeah.
Very smooth.